The American billionaire and co-founder of Microsoft, Bill Gates, said that the risk of infection with the coronavirus has become significantly low, but he expected the emergence of a new epidemic in the future. During the annual Munich Security Conference, Gates said that a new epidemic is likely to arise from a pathogen different from the coronavirus family, according to what was reported by the American CNBC channel. Gates added that advances in medical technology should help the world do a better job of combating it, especially if investment is made now. 2 years after the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic, Gates believes that its worst effects have faded with the acquisition of large segments of the world's population to a certain level of immunity, and that the severity of the virus has also diminished with the emergence of the mutant Omicron. The American billionaire stressed that the spread of the virus contributed to people gaining immunity in a faster way than vaccines, explaining that the chance of developing serious symptoms, mainly associated with the elderly and those with chronic diseases, is now significantly less, due to exposure to COVID-19 infection. He also stressed that the cost of preparing for the next epidemic is not great. It is not the same as climate change. If we are rational, we catch it, the pandemic, early next time. The Microsoft co-founder plans to publish a new book that discusses how to ensure that the corona epidemic is the last major global epidemic. According to the Bloomberg News Agency, the book entitled How to Prevent a New Epidemic. It is supposed to be released on May 3. Gates commented on his new book, "The corona epidemic has caused great suffering to people around the world. Every time I read about the latest death toll, hear about someone who lost their job due to the epidemic, or drive my car near a closed school, I can't help but think one thing: we will never be able to face